Hi.
You say hi?
Hi.
You want to say hi, Kelsey?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be very different for me because I really want to kind of shift the direction of my channel to more of like a lifestyle, family, chit-chatty kind of channel. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be me decluttering my closet and my dresser drawer, the KonMari method by Marie Kondo or Kundo. And I wanted to do this because I have a lot of clothes. To me, I may not be like a lot when you see it, but to me it's a lot that I don't wear. But with all of that being said, let's get into this deep declutter and kind of spark some joy. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here we are in my closet. This is my side of the closet. It is, to me, an average size walk-in. It's a big closet, I'm not even gonna lie. So I have my dresses in the front. I have this little, to me it's becoming a catch-all, but I bought it for like my wallets, my swimsuits, and then my workout clothes. But I feel like I could do better with organizing these things. And then we have my small Adidas collection because I live and love Adidas. I have my short sleeve, long sleeve, and then just jackets and outerwear. I have purses up top, leggings, pajamas, and then my hats. So I'm going to start taking all of this out, taking it out there, because if you don't know, the KonMari method tells you to take every single piece of clothing that you have, down to your socks, everything, out of the closet, put it in the room, and go through it one by one. So that's what I'm going to do now. So as you can see, hair had to go into a pony because it got a little hot and it's gonna get real. So I took out everything from my closet except my purses because I can't do that right now. I can't go through purses and wallets. That's too much for me. So I'm about to go through every single piece, and I'll probably try to include clips if it's anything special or like super old. But other than that, I'm just gonna go through all my pieces and like speed the video up. It's a lot. And I feel a little overwhelmed now that I've taken it all out because I've touched some pieces and I'm like, oh my God, I forgot I had this, or oh my God, that is so old, or that's not even gonna fit. So I'm a little nervous, but I'm more excited to actually start wearing my clothes and feeling confident and to stop thinking about my old body and embracing my new body as a mom, as a wife. So that's my whole take from this, is to just feel more confident and take everything out of my closet that reminds me of what I used to be and accept who I am now. Okay, so just a quick disclaimer, like I'm not following her method to the T because one, I don't have like a whole week or a month to get this done. Like this is a realistic 1 day declutter KonMari style. I am going through touching every piece. I'm going through feeling if it sparks joy. I'm thinking about the last time that I wore it, how I wore it, how I felt when I wore it. I am saying thank you, so don't be like in the comments like, oh my god, you're throwing your clothes on the floor. Like, no, I'm just getting it over out the way, and I will go through and I will fold it and do, you know, the whole thanking of the article of clothing and all that later. So please do not try to be like, oh, you're not following her method to a T, because I know I'm not, because I don't have that kind of time today. These are 2 more shirts that I made myself. This is just my monogram, and this is a shirt that just says blessed mom of girls, because I have 2 girls, you know. So yeah. Okay, so I am tired now. I have done my whole bed. This over here, I'm not doing. This is my Adidas. I know people make all my Adidas because I love Adidas. I've done quite a bit. I'm going to start under the floor really quickly, and then I'm going to do, well, no, I think I want to put my clothes back in the closet because it's a lot. It's too much clutter. So I'm going to put my clothes back into the closet really quickly, and then I'm gonna go through my undergarments. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't gonna do my purses and wallets today, but I know for a fact I'm gonna be selling this purse. This is a Kate Spade mini backpack. It's not too mini, but it's not, of course, full size for like a laptop or anything. But I'm definitely gonna be selling this one because I have too many backpacks. I have too many mini bags. So I think I'm gonna sell this one for about 60, maybe 65 bucks. If you're interested in it, of course, leave a comment down below. Okay, so I'm in my closet now. I put all of the clothes back in that I wanted to keep. It probably still looks like a lot of clothes, and that's because it is still a lot of clothes, but I do have things that I feel I will wear once I iron them, because a lot of my clothes are very wrinkled. Like, I need to do better. I need to iron or steam my clothes after I dry them. But anyway, something that I also found that would help me out personally is if I took my shoes out of their boxes. So it is still winter technically, so I've been still wearing like my booties, like this style boots, but I noticed that I don't wear them that often because I don't even remember that I have them. So I'm gonna take out these few shoes that I have in boxes back here. So I'm gonna do that really quickly, take all my shoes out, take the boxes out, line them up, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm back. I did condense a lot of my underwear. I've gotten it down to just 2 of these, and then I have this small one back here that's just thongs. I don't like mixing my thongs with my regular underwear just because I feel like I want to know what I'm reaching for. I got rid of a few bras, so I have a few bras over here, and then I have the rest of my bras over here now, and I have my socks. I got rid of a lot of socks. I have all my dress socks folded in half, and then these are like my gym socks per se. And ironically, I actually already had some socks that all matched these little white ankle socks, so that worked out great. So now I can close that drawer. Now I have an empty drawer for these shirts over here on the ground, and that will be all that I do for today. Okay, so now I've taken all my shoes out of their boxes and kind of fixed them up a little. Not the best. I am going to get a new shoe rack so that I can put my boots and my heels on them. I have very few heels. I'm going to do better this year. Like this year I said I'm going to buy cute heels that go with cute dresses, because I don't have a lot of heels, which is why I don't wear my dresses, because I kind of hate heels. But I'm going to do better this year so that I can actually wear my clothes. And overall, I like how my closet turned out. It is a lot more space to me. Everything is more organized. At least for now. I'm going to do a little bit better at ironing the clothes before I put them away. That way when I want to wear it, it's already ironed. But this little gap right here is going to be for my jeans once I figure out which ones I want to keep and get the proper hanger, because I actually also want to change the hanger for my jeans so that I can see the jeans. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I definitely am exhausted. As you can see, my hair is in a bun now. I'm tired. I took a break to eat and take care of my kids, but I'm exhausted, and I have to do a little more organizing and put things back the way that they need to be, and like tweaking it a little bit. I need to buy pants hangers. I'm gonna hang my jeans differently so that I can see them, and organize them by wash as well as by fit, like high waist and regular jeans. So I highly encourage you to try the KonMari method if you have not. So with all that being said, please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all next week. I promise.